This is a report created by DevExpress software. It's usually generated by business apps. You need a specific report viewer to see the data layout. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here's the viewer. Here's a professional insight. For those PRNX files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced, non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. A PRNX file is associated with DevExpress XtraReports, a reporting tool for .NET developers. It contains a compiled report layout, including data source connections, report controls, and formatting information. PRNX files are used to store and distribute report designs separately from the application code, allowing for easy modification and deployment of reports. PRNX files are typically binary files that store the report definition in a serialized format. They can include information about data bindings, calculated fields, report parameters, and visual elements. The XtraReports engine uses the PRNX file to generate the report output, which can be exported to various formats like PDF, Excel, or HTML. The specific reading module for PRNX files is provided by DevExpress XtraReports from DevExpress. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows supports basic document visibility, though deeper editing requires proper tools. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the PRNX file and choose Open With. If DevExpress XtraReports is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. If the PRNX file is still refusing to open, it's expected. The PRNX file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, use DevExpress Print Preview. Open the file using an application that utilizes DevExpress components and open the Print Preview function, as this is the native viewer. Next, use PRNX Viewer, download and use the free DevExpress Document Viewer tool to view and print the document. Finally, export to PDF. Ask the sender to export the PRNX file to a universal format like PDF or XLSX. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.